Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, it'd be great if you could subscribe and like the videos so I know that you're enjoying my content. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango lassi or mango milkshake. This is great this time of year when it's really hot outside and you just want something refreshing. So for this you can either use fresh mangoes or you can just buy a tin of mango pulp. So for around 3 people you'd need about half a tin this size or 1 mango per person. Also you'll need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I've got 4 tablespoons of sugar. Obviously sugar is however sweet you like your milkshakes, and you're going to need around 3 cups or glasses of milk. So I've added all the ingredients to my jug blender. You are going to need a jug blender to make mango lassi, or you can also use a hand blender, but it tends to work better with a jug. You can also add ice if you want it extra cold, or I normally prefer to add the ice in afterwards. So that's all blended nicely, so it's ready to serve. So here's the mango lassi ready to serve in your chosen glasses. This is so tasty and so refreshing on a hot summer's day. Can't wait to drink this. So like I said before, I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if you are, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.